So I just left the doctor and she said, so I'm here at a doctor's office. Now this is a totally different doctor. I'm not even going to say it because I'm going to get it messed up. So I'm just going to put it on the screen. Anyway, they mess with muscular and skeletal manipulation and things like that to help you with pain and things, because I work in a factory and have all that, plus a lot of joint issues, so I don't really go to the doctor very much, but normally it's for my kids. This time, it's for me. So I just left the doctor and she said, you just need to start. And I'm like, you realize I'm 43. I'm like, I'm not as young as I once was. I'm like, it'd be different if I was keeping this up for some time now and I was exercising, but I mean, I've like quit and I'm not as flexible as I once was, and I'm not strong as I once was. And she said, well, take it from someone who's 50. And I'm like, yeah, but I look at my son and he's 8 and he can do the splits. And she says, you'll be surprised. And I thought, don't tell me this 50-year-old woman can do the splits. She said, I started karate at 41 and I was black belt by 48. I mean, this is a little tiny 4'8" woman, just little bitty. And she says, you'd be surprised what you can do over time. And I'm like, you know, I'm over there thinking, you know, let's push and be able to do the splits, or let's lift 200 pounds in 6 months, 3 months. That's what I did when I did P90X. It was push yourself to do it as fast as possible. This is extreme, quick, 90 days to be in shape. She's like, don't worry about that. What if it takes you 9 years? But it don't matter if it took you 9 years, or this person it took 3 years. It doesn't matter. Just start and do what you can and grow every day a little bit more, because if you're going to be successful, it's going to be from starting and just working toward a goal. So my goal is to get in shape. My goal is to do more work, even though it just isn't easy anymore. We got to do it.